Say hi!
Say hi!
Hello guys, so for today's video guys, mag-unbox tayo ng in-order ko from Shopee. So, ano nga ba ito guys? So, ano nga ba ito? So, ito guys, yung magagamit namin guys sa border. So, since both kami nakalagpan, so, yan, magagamit namin siya. So, ito guys, mga sa Shopee, board ng tayo. So, nabasa mo ito. So, ipopost ko na lang sa video na ito ayun. So, yung sellers ko tayo para then maka-order kayo guys. So, ito siya guys. Naka-sealed siya. Yan. Nakikita nyo guys, naka-sealed. Tsaka yan. Sealed siya guys. Ito po ay keyboard na Bluetooth. Actually may binil na si Isa na keyboard from Mofii. Kasi yung binil niya is wired. Ito naman is Bluetooth, so wireless siya. So yan. Tsaka meron siyang numpad. Yung binili kasi niya isa is wala. So ako guys, sa work ko, gamit ko kasi yung numpad, kaya bumili ako ng numpad. So yeah, may libre lang siyang battery na battery. May mouse din siya guys. Actually yung binili na ISIS may mouse din, pero walang kasama mouse. So binili ko is may mouse din. Hindi pala siya ganun kaingay tulad ng binili ni Isa. So, yan. So, maganda siya guys. Testing natin. So ito yung likod niya guys. May stand. Dito yung lagay ng battery, which is isang double A. So testing natin guys, lagyan natin ng battery. Sabihin na natin yung mouse guys. Actually may mouse naman ako, pero since may mouse na kasama, testing na rin natin yung mouse na kasama. Actually guys, naghahanap ako nung walang kasamang mouse dyan sa seller or sa shop nila. Kaso wala namang ganun. So yan, binili ko na lang yung may mouse. So, ito guys yung dongle niya para sa Bluetooth. So yan, testing na rin guys. Work na siya guys, makikita ko. Ayan siya guys yung mouse. So working yung mouse guys. So yun guys, kung mapapansin nyo guys, yan, nagtatype na ako guys. Mabilis naman yung response ng keyboard. So once you click the letter, nalabas naman siya kagad, walang delay. So try ko mag video na may kasamang habang natatype ako, bali nag-dual screen ako. So yun guys, let's check later. Ito pala guys, yung bilhin niya ay sa keyboard lang. So yes, kung napansin nyo guys, walang numpad. Tapos yung kanyang key sounds. Tapos may ilaw siya guys, and wired. So kailangan yan, naka-wire siya. Pero maganda siya guys. Sobrang accurate, maganda, and yun nga lang, maingay, walang numpad. Yun na yung disadvantage niya, pero goods din to guys. Tsaka mas expensive siya kaysa dun sa Bluetooth. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. So yun guys, same seller siya binili. So if you want this guys, yan, dun na lang din sa seller na ipopost ko sa link na to guys. So yun guys, bye. So this is the continuation of the review, and as I've said a while ago, that I will be doing a dual screen showing that I'm typing in the keyboard while also showing in the other layer the screen. So yan, nakikita nyo nagtatype ako, yung keyboard tsaka yung screen, nakikita nyo na yan, nagtatype ako ng mga letters. So moving along, for the performance of the keyboard, I can say that it has no delay. I've tried using the keyboard 3 to 4 feet far from the laptop and still showing no delay when typing. Then for the appearance, as you can see, it has nice color and very cute. Yun nga lang, very girly. My wife will gonna use this kapag na RTO or return to office na kami. And for the price, this is worth 1,399 in Shopee. For me, it is worth the price since the performance is good. Yung medyo di ko lang nagustuhan is isa lang yung USB dongle or Bluetooth receiver niya for the mouse and keyboard. Meron na kasi akong mouse na ginagamit, kaya di ko need yung mouse na kasama dito sa keyboard. For the mouse, nung tinesting ko yung mouse, okay naman, working siya and no delay pag ginamit. Di ko lang gusto kasi medyo manipis and wala siyang on and off, so natanggal ko yung battery para di sila magagawa ng mouse na ginagamit ko. And I think that's all for today's review. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Also place your comment down below if there is any, and please support. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Bye.